Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in today's video, I'm really excited. There's an open collaboration called the Glam Elegant Living Society, and that's being hosted by Glam Elegant Living. So the co-host of this collab is I Style My Style, DIY designed by CCW, and Petal is Blessed. Now I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be listing the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see what each and every one of these beautiful ladies has for you today. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, what I decided to create for you today is a beautiful, elegant, fall-themed tablescape for two. Let me go ahead and tell you about some of the items on the table right now. So I have that floral swag that's on the back of that table, and that was the thrifted item. I think I only got that for a couple of dollars. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now the vase that you see in the back was part of a DIY, and it's textured. It's absolutely beautiful, and I think I have a video on that. I'm going to go ahead and try to link that below. And the florals, I'm kind of gravitating over to that burnt orange, which is a very unusual color for me, but it's a beautiful color. Very warm, very inviting, and so romantic. Now, I believe I got that tablecloth at the Salvation Army that was a thrifted item. And then the placemats came from a discount store, and they're gold tone. And these I only got for maybe $1 each. They were beautiful. Now, the dishware is also gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I got that at Hobby Lobby, the plate and the salad bowl. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, what I wanted to say is the florals are a mix from Dollar Tree and Walmart florals. Now, these cloth items that I'm bringing, the cloth napkins that I'm bringing in right now, those were a thrifted item, and I think that was from the Goodwill. And then the napkin tie is from the Dollar Tree, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm calling it a napkin dress. Now the utensils, I purchased that at Target, and they were on sale, so that was an absolutely great buy. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I finish decorating this tablescape for you, and I'll see you at the end. So I just wanted to pop in to let you know that those beautiful green martini glasses, those were a gifted item, and the water glasses, those came from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so we lit the candles. Everything looks really romantic. We're outside in the enclosed porch. Let's go on over to the reveal. Now I do want to take a moment and thank the host, Allie from Glam Elegant Living, along with the co-host for this collaboration. I absolutely love it. It is so beautiful, so glam, and so elegant. Okay, so that blessed sign on the table came from Hobby Lobby, and it gave it that beautiful touch it needed to bring that warmth in, letting you know that you are blessed. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.